Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. Have you ever wondered where the coins in your piggy bank or the notes in your wallet come from? The story of money is as old as civilization itself, and it's a tale filled with creativity, innovation, and change. Let's dive into the fascinating evolution of money. In ancient times, people didn't have money and relied on the barter system by trading goods and services directly. However, this system had its challenges. Finding people with matching needs was difficult, making a trade complicated. The first money. To overcome these challenges, people began using universally valued objects as money. One of the earliest forms was cowrie shells. These small, shiny shells were easy to carry and hard to find, making them valuable. Around 600 BCE, the first metal coins emerged in Lydia. These coins, crafted from a blend of gold and silver, were durable, portable, and universally accepted, making transactions simpler and efficient. Birth of paper money and banks. Around the 7th century in China, people began using paper money. The government printed these notes, which functioned much like today's dollar bills. As trade grew, so did the need for a safe place to store money. This led to the birth of banks. The first banks appeared in Italy during the Renaissance. They offered services like safeguarding money and lending it out with interest. This innovation made it easier for individuals and businesses to manage large sums of money. Modern money. Today, digital forms of money have become increasingly popular. Credit and debit cards, for instance, are small plastic cards linked to our bank accounts. When you swipe a card, it instantly instructs the bank to transfer money from your account to the store's account. This process is much more convenient and eliminates the need to carry cash. Bitcoin, the new kid on the block. One of the most exciting developments in the world of money is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, a digital form of money that uses cryptography for security. It was created by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or bank. The journey of money is far from over. As technology continues to advance, who knows what new forms money will take? That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned barter inefficiencies led to using cowrie shells and metal coins for transactions. Gradually, during 7th century, China developed paper money. During Renaissance in Italy, first banks for money management were introduced. Today, digital forms like credit cards and Bitcoin revolutionize transactions with convenience and security. Hence, money has come a long way, making our lives convenient. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.